Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hello everyone. We are at question 4 from the coverage of grade 11 elite for term 2, and we did the first question in the previous video, and this is a similar question that we have in this video. So we have this graph, the graph of f, and selected x value presented in the table. Part A says approximate the value of f prime of 4.5 using data from the table. So if you look at 4.5 on the graph, 4.5 is here, right? And we cannot use f of 5 because f of 5 is here. So don't choose f of 5 for the first one, as we discussed in the previous video. So for part A, f prime of 4.5, okay, is approximately what? F of 4.5 minus f of 4 over 4.5 minus 4. Copy the values from the table: 3.193, 2.533 over 4.5 minus 4. Immediately this is equal to 1.320. So for part B, it says, is there a value of x for 0 to 5, okay, such that the limit of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h over equals to 0? Well, this limit of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h, it's the same as f prime of x, because this is the formal definition, or the limit. I keep using formal. The limit definition of the derivative, right? Which is the same. So this limit is the same as f prime of x. And f prime of x, the question is asking, is there a value of x at which the derivative equals 0? Well, yes. At which x value? We can say that at x equals 2, there is horizontal tangent, and we know that at the horizontal tangent, f prime of 2 will be 0. Okay, so at 2, this limit will be 0 at x equals 2. It's a horizontal tangent. So let's look now at part C. Part C says, for each of the following limit, find the value or explain why it does not exist. Find the limit of f of 5 plus h minus f of 5 over h as h approaches 0 from the left. Well, this is the same as f prime of 5, but from the right side. F prime from the at 5 from the right side. So we're looking for the slope of this segment. This is equal to what? This point is 5 and 1, and this point here is 9 and 2, and we can use the slope formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So 2 minus 1 over 9 minus 5, that is 1 over 1 over 4, right? It's going to be 1 over 4. Okay, now for the second one, it's equal to what? It's equal to f prime of 5, but from the left side. From the left side, you would use this limit. If you substitute h in this limit, it will be what? F of 5 plus 0 from the left, right? Minus f of 5. F of 5, it's given, it's 1 over 0, okay? And f of 5 plus 0 from the left, that means f of 4.9999, which is, if you look at the graph, it's equal to 4. So 4 minus 1 over 0, which is 3 over 0. That means does not exist. Why does it exist? Because the numerator approaches 3. The numerator approaches 3 as the denominator approaches 0. So it's undefined, doesn't exist. Okay, and why the limit of f of 5 plus h minus f of 5 over h doesn't exist also, the last one, because this is the same as f prime of 5, okay, which doesn't exist. Why it doesn't exist? Because there is a jump at x equals 5, or the derivative at 5 from the left doesn't exist. So there are two reasons for the last one. Okay, so you can mention any of them. We can say that f is not differentiable at x equals 5 due to the jump discontinuity at x equals 5. This is one reason. You can say that f is not differentiable at x equals 5 due to the jump discontinuity at x equals 5. Or you can say that the limit, or the previous limit, which is f prime of 5 from the left, doesn't exist. Okay? So for this question, we've got 1 over 4, we've got doesn't exist, and we also have here doesn't exist. These are the three answers, but please, for this part, explain why it doesn't exist, okay, as we did in the second and third one. Good luck.